The Owlet e-scooter, specifically the Owlet 1, is a uniquely designed electric scooter blending elements of a moped and an e-bike. With a 750W motor, peaking at 3000 W, and a top speed of 30 miles per hour, it delivers significant torque, 180 Newton meters, making it a nimble and powerful option for urban commuting. Its adjustable wheelbase, ranging from 25 to 40 inches, allows flexibility in handling, switching between a compact, agile setting and a more stable, stretched-out mode for higher speeds, a 500 Wh battery, using LG or Samsung cells, providing a range of 40 to 60 miles, Shimano hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power. Foldable design for easier transport and storage in vehicles. Fat 20-inch tires offering good traction both on-road and off-road, a minimalist, retro design with a matte-finished aluminum frame and leather-wrapped handlebars, integrated LED headlights and suspension for comfort over rough terrains. The Impulse cooktop is developed by Impulse Labs, a company focused on creating high-performance, sustainable kitchen appliances. The cooktop is an advanced 30-inch induction model that offers groundbreaking features, making it stand out in the market. Each burner can deliver up to 10 kilowatts of power, significantly outperforming conventional gas and induction cooktops, enabling ultra-fast heating times. Equipped with a 3 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate (LFP) battery, the cooktop can function during power outages, support load shifting to reduce electricity bills, and even serve as a backup power source for your home through its bidirectional inverter. It includes removable magnetic knobs and a sleek 12.8-inch LCD screen for intuitive control. The color-changing LED rings indicate real-time temperature adjustments. Designed to be plug-and-play with 120V/15A outlets, it eliminates the need for extensive electrical upgrades in many homes. The battery system supports grid efficiency and helps reduce peak electricity demand, aligning with sustainable energy practices. The Keyboardio Prionic is a compact, highly customizable mechanical keyboard, known for its ortholinear layout. Ortholinear keyboards have keys arranged in a grid-like layout rather than the traditional staggered rows. While Keyboardio is known for ergonomic and customizable keyboards like the Model 01 and Model 100, the Prionic itself is typically associated with OLKB ortholinear keyboards, and distributed by vendors like Drop or ZSA. Unlike staggered layouts, the Prionic has keys arranged in a straight grid, making finger movement more efficient for many users. 60% keyboard size with a 5x12 grid and an additional spacebar row, offering a minimalist form factor while retaining function layer flexibility. Supports QMK and VIA firmware, allowing you to customize key maps, layers, and macros to your preference. Comes with multiple programmable layers, letting you access extra functions without dedicated keys, like arrows, numbers, or media controls. Compatible with hot-swappable MX-style switches, Cherry, Gateron, etc., making it easy to customize or replace switches without soldering. Solid construction with a metal or plastic case, depending on the model/version, uses standard MX. Compatible keycaps, allowing for extensive customization with aftermarket keycap sets, typically USB-C for a modern connection interface. The Lexer Professional SL600 Portable SSD is a high-performance, durable solid-state drive designed for content creators, photographers, and gamers who need fast, reliable storage for on-the-go use. Offers read and write speeds up to 2000 megabytes per second, with USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 support, allowing rapid transfer of large files. Available in capacities like 512 GB, 1 TB, and 2 TB, compact, lightweight, and rugged aluminum build with a sleek design, resistant to shocks and vibrations for portability and durability. Uses a USB-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 interface for wide compatibility with PCs, Macs, and gaming consoles. includes both USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to USB-A cables, provides 256-bit AES encryption for data security, protecting sensitive files, works seamlessly with Windows, Mac OS, Android, and gaming consoles like PlayStation 5 and Xbox. The KT-2 Kung Fu Turtle Pocket Robot is a compact, futuristic gadget designed for tech and martial arts enthusiasts. Inspired by both robotic engineering and kung fu aesthetics, this pocket-sized robot offers several intriguing features, combines turtle-like robotic elements with sleek, portable dimensions, made from durable materials like metallic alloys, often with a green and silver color scheme, features articulated limbs capable of mimicking kung fu stances, can perform programmed martial arts movements and poses. Equipped with LED eyes that light up, providing an expressive robotic character, may include sensors for interactive responses, making it capable of basic obstacle avoidance or gesture recognition. Small enough to carry in a pocket or bag, making it an ideal gadget for on-the-go use, lightweight and sturdy, designed for durability during daily use, Bluetooth connectivity for app-based controls, rechargeable battery with a decent lifespan for prolonged play and interaction, fun for kids and adults, especially those interested in martial arts or robots.